D'Angelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I wanted to make this video for you guys on how you can make more money using your landing pages, right? So a lot of people, they just have the 1, 2, 3 method going on, but you can use your landing pages to make a lot more money. Obviously, you can do your follow-up series and stuff like that. We'll get into it in a second here, but yeah, guys, there's a ton of stuff you can do with your landing pages to make more money. So we are on easypages.io. So if you guys haven't signed up for this yet, definitely make sure you go sign up. You get a 14-day free trial, and you get access to all these done for you landing pages right here that you guys are about to see. So if you come over here and you click CPA, we got 6 landing pages that are completely done for you right out the gate. You might have to do a little bit of editing, just change the name, just like for this one, for example, this one says fast personal loans. You might be doing a quick loan offer. So instead of doing fast personal loans, you would just change it to quick personal loans or whatever, right? And then we got a gift card offer. Now, you guys know me. I personally don't run gift card offers. It's just not my cup of tea. But a lot of you guys have asked for a landing page that was for these particular offers. So this one is for the Cash App offer. You guys can literally just switch out this picture right here. Let's say it's a $200 gift card from Walmart. You can literally just take the picture from the landing page of the CPA offer, or go to Google, pick one up, then switch it out with this right here, then change it from 750 to 200. You guys know, just do your typical editing, and then again, you would just go through your whole little thing here. So right, you can change all of this here. You can change the colors, you can change, the gift card, the pictures, literally the whole 9 yards. You can change everything on this page here. All right. Yeah, beautiful landing page. And again, ready to go. All you got to do is pretty much put in your CPA offer link right here. Change that to apply, click here, learn more, whatever. And then that would go straight to your landing page, and boom, just like that, you're done. All right. And then we got an advertorial page here. Now, keep in mind, if you're going to run this one, this is not one that you can run on like 99% of networks. So this is a page that you would have to use a cloaker for, stuff like that, because you're using trademark stuff. Let's just say this is not going to get approved in like 99% of the places that you would regularly promote. Right now, if you're using free traffic, it doesn't matter. But for like Facebook, Google, native advertising, like none of that is going to fly, depending on which network you go to for native advertising. But 99% of networks are not going to approve this one. So if you don't know how to use white hat, or you're not black hat stuff, and you don't know how to cloak and all that, this one is pretty much useless to you. But for the people who do, this is a fucking killer gold mine page right here. I think you might be able to promote this one directly on Bing, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. You guys can test it out. Let me know. But for the compliant one, this one right here will work perfectly fine. You guys see it's like pretty much the same thing, except it doesn't have all the trademark stuff or whatnot. All right. And then we got our loan one over here. And I just talked about this one. I don't know. But if I didn't, basically loan offer one right here, and you would just change out the name of it to whatever offer that you're promoting, and boom, you're good to go. Now for this one, you can actually promote 2 different offers. So let's say you're doing a quick day loan, one that's like only goes up to $1,000, and then like a bigger loan that goes from $1,000 to $5,000, $10,000, or whatever it is plus, right? So then you would have 2 different loans offers on the same exact page right here. All right, so that's another way you can make more money. But let's just go ahead and boot one of these up. And then what you're going to do is come over here to the side, click pages, and then go to pop-ups. And this is the big, secret. I'm telling you guys, if you use pop-ups on your landing page, you will make so much more money. Like, it's crazy what a pop-up can do. Like, you can promote, let's say, like the weight loss, right? A lot of people don't know how to run the weight loss offers without getting shut down over on Facebook. But if you run a compliant offer and then have this offer as a pop-up, you're pretty much golden, right? Like, it's crazy how it works, but that's kind of like the little loophole that you can do when it comes to running Facebook ads. So what we would do here is come down here, use this one. So this is the one that I like to use. You guys can change the sizes of this as well. So if we come up here and click pop-up settings, you see we can change it, you know. Yeah, so you can do all of that. So what I recommend doing is once you go into your settings is push it all the way back to 1 minute. All right. So once you fill out your whole form here, of course, put the product name, put a little description right here, nice picture of it, and then some benefits. So this is I like this one because you get to list your benefits here, and all that fun stuff. Then obviously you would change it to learn more, apply, whatever it is that go with your particular offer, and then right here, show pop up after time on the page, right? Or what you can do. What is it at? Oh, here it is right here. All right, so then you can just do delayed specification time. So basically you can delay this one and then it will come in as well, right? So basically that's just pretty much the same thing, but I'm telling you guys, if you have them, they got the page open, and then let's say they click your main offer. God damn it. Oh, there. All right, so once let's say we click this offer right here, right? Let's say this is our offer link. They click this, they go and they start filling out this so they can get the Cash App offer, right? Let's say they don't fill it out. Then they're going to come back to this page right here, and then you're going to hit them with the pop-up, right? So it's going to be about a minute or so, and then once they come back here, they're going to have access. They're going to get shown another ad, right? So let's say this one is something about how they can make $100 a day. Then they click that one. Boom. Now you got another chance to get them to convert as well. So that's really pretty much it in a nutshell, guys. Obviously, you got all your other stuff that I've talked about in the past when it comes to doing your follow-ups, your emails, stuff like that. If you're going to do that, all you got to do is come down here to the website settings. I've only been using this site like 2 days, guys. Don't judge me. But yeah, that's right. It's in the settings. Then what you're gonna do is go to add application, and then you got your MailChimp, your Facebook Pixel, your Get Response, Aweber, etc. whatnot. Then you would just click connect, and then you can just follow up people on the back end. And then what I like about this one as well, because let's say you just put up a form, right? All right, so let's just say we put up a form here, and then they put in their name, phone number, etc., whatnot. We don't have to actually have that connected for us to get that information, because it'll just show up here in our contact settings, right? So anytime somebody put in their username, their email, phone number, etc., it's gonna pop up right here, and then we can just export it and then put it into our Get Response, Aweber, etc., right? So yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. Like, I'm telling you, if you haven't been using this, highly recommend it. Going to be getting some drop shipping stores on here as well. So like literally the goal for this site is that where you guys can just sign up and then just start running ads, right? Like no having to build landing pages, no having to guess what offer is going to work with it, like none of that. You just boom. All right, this landing page is working right now with this offer, or you can try running it with a different offer that's in the same niche, right? Then you're gonna have your follow-up series that you can just do right, just boom, right, setting everything up, good to go. Literally just send traffic. That's what I'm trying to get this to. Then again, we're gonna get the stores coming up here soon. Gonna have the developer literally build out an entire store. So the only thing you're gonna have to do is place the orders. That's it. So once somebody make an order on your website, you go to AliExpress, or wherever you get your products from, boom, ship it out, you're good to go. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let me know if you guys have any questions or want any other type of landing pages in the comment section down below.